Hello guys, welcome back to Excel Algo Trader, and today I'm going to show you a backtest of breakout strategy, how our breakout strategy worked today. Okay guys, this is our dashboard. As you can see, this is our software, and this is our dashboard, and you have to trade a live trade. If you want to trade a live trade, you have to turn on this and put the exact date today. Mention today's date, and if you want any additional stock to be added and you have to trade any additional stocks, so you have to just turn on this and add on additional stocks like Infosys, Hdfcbank, etc. like this. And this is index future options. If you want to trade in index future options, you just turn on this and trade goes 100% automatically. There is no need to buy or sell in this software. If you set some step here, every trade will go, each and everything will go in automatically. Okay guys, we'll come back to our breakout strategy. Yes guys, this is our breakout strategy. If you want this software, you can just call us, or you can see our www.excelargotrader.in website to purchase this. Okay guys, we'll come back for breakout strategy now. Yes guys, this is our breakout strategy, and it will update at the exact time of 10 o'clock. Okay guys, now next we'll just backtest of Nifty 50. Everything I have made it ready, and mainly if you want to trade this, you should be having a Excel Argo trading and Alliance Blue broking terminal login. You have to log in Alliance Blue broking terminal IDs. Okay, and yes guys, everything is here. Yes, this is our Alliance Blue broking terminal, and we'll come back for Nifty 50 now. This was our 178. I'll just show you in our breakout strategy Excel, and this is our buy level was generated here and 24,178, and sell was generated and 24,128. You can see here buy and sell level here. This is a buy level and this is a sell level. As well, we'll just compare this to putting in our Alliance Blue broking terminal chart, candle chart. Okay guys, here buy was generated 178 exactly. You can see here buy was generated in 178, and yes, you can see here buy was generated 178, and market went up to 334. Yes guys, we just mark now. Market went up to 158 points from a buy level. Okay guys, you can just see here our buy, here exactly here our buy was generated, and market went up to 158 points. Okay guys, there is no need of buy or sell, just everything happens automatically. Just turn on our Excel Argo trading. There's some steps to be automated traded. Just follow the step and everything goes automatically. Okay guys, just show you how our breakout strategy have worked today. Okay guys, next we'll come for Nifty Features. Nifty Features, the buy was generated at 250, means 24,250. I've just marked it here exactly here. See, you can see 24,250 here. Our exactly at the time of 10:27, the buy was generated here. Exactly here the buy was generated, and market went up to 24,435. This where our breakout strategy were given. Here our breakout strategy buy level was given, and market went up to 184 points. Okay guys, this is how our breakout strategy works automatically. Everything is done in automatically. Okay guys, here this red line is refers to sell level. Here there was no sell level. Market went up today, means market was little bearish, and I just want to suggest you one thing guys, please don't overtrade. This suggestions is only for a new traders who comes to our trading and get overtrade, and they just earn the money and give back to the market like that only. Okay, just one thing I want to tell you guys, a secret of market, that is just continue this and I'll tell you end of the video. Just watch till the end of the video and I want to say you one secret of this market. Okay guys, we'll come back to Nifty call option. Here 423 Nifty call option. Here buy was generated 423. Sorry, this is guys, this is a green as refers to buy, and 423 here buy was generated. Exactly here buy was generated from in our breakout strategy, and market went up to 547. Let's see how many points went up. It reached almost 125 points from our buy level. This is our buy level. Okay guys, and this is our sell level. Again here small minor buy level, but just wait and watch till the end. I want to see you something secretly of the secret of this market. Okay guys, we'll wait and watch. Now next we'll go for Nifty call option. Is over now. We'll go for Nifty put option. Here Nifty put option. So in Nifty put option 193 buy was generated and 173 sell was generated. We just look at this chart and I'll show you. This is a 193 buy was generated here and sell was generated here in 173. Exactly I showed you in here. Where is this? 193 and 173. Okay guys, you can see this is our breakout strategy. I have just marked buy level and sell level of breakout strategy, and I'm just comparing it to our candle and showing you how today our breakout strategy works. Okay, here our sell was generated in put option. You can see here Bank Nifty put option, sell price is strike price is 2400, and here sell was generated. Exactly you can see here red denominates for sell. Yes guys, here sell was generated and market was bearish for put option. So let's see how many points market went down up to. Yes guys, 157 up to 57. Okay, up to 57 points market went down. Okay guys, we'll come back for Nifty Bank Nifty. Okay, we'll come back for Bank Nifty and let's see what our breakout strategy is telling in Excel. Buy was generated here. You can see a buy was generated here guys. One thing here, buy and LTP level, buy and LTP level difference you can see here in M to M. It is 202. See guys, buy level and LTP level you can see here difference in M to M. Okay guys, this and this gives you minus this. Okay guys, here buy was generated at 674. Here buy was generated at 674 and it is a bit changed. Let me make it 674. Yes guys, 674. I'll just make it proper. It should be exactly now. Okay guys, 674. Here our buy was generated exactly in the time of 10:27. Okay guys, you can see here I'm just showing you the time also. Here buy was generated in our breakout strategy in Bank Nifty. Here buy was generated and market went up. Okay, this is our breakout strategy and buy was generated. And let's see how many points did market went up. Yes, market went up almost 501 points. Yes guys, that is really superb. You have made it your huge profit if you are purchased today the software and trade it. Okay guys, market went up to 501 points. This is a buy level. Here a buy was generated and market went up, and this is a sell level. Okay guys, next we'll see Bank Nifty Features. This is 882. Bank Nifty Features, will turn on the features now. Here buy Nifty, Bank Nifty here 882. Yes guys, you can see here Bank Nifty Features 882. Exactly, you can see here buy 51,882 and sell 51,715. Okay guys, here buy is generated in our breakout strategy. Yes guys, exactly here 882, and at the time of 10/26/27, here our buy was generated in our breakout strategy in Bank Nifty Futures. Okay, let's see how many points market went up in Bank Nifty. Market went up almost 509 points from our from our buying level. Yes guys, this is our buying level, and market went up to 509. Okay guys, you can see here I'm showing you the difference, and this is our breakout strategy, how it works. Yes guys, just one thing I want to say you, a secret of this market is, please guys, I just want to tell you that no overtrade. Okay, see, in the time of 10 o'clock, if you enter the market at the time of 10 o'clock, and you have to trade only at the time of 12 or 1:30, you have to trade only till 12:30 or 1. That's it. If you go trading till 3 o'clock, till market ends, if you earn profit, again you have to get lost. If you, how much you earn from the market, you have to put same and more than that in the market again back. So I just tell you not to overtrade. You have to trade only till 12:30. Yes guys, I'm showing you the timings here till here 12:30. Till 12:30 you have to be in the market. This is a secret of market, and you should not overtrade after 1 o'clock, because market will go fluctuately up and down after 1 o'clock. Excuse me. So I just want to say you guys that please don't trade after 12 or 12:30. 12:30 is the last thing, and please don't trade after 12 o'clock. After 12 o'clock, don't know, market will fluctuate like anything. We cannot say how it goes up or down, but till 10 to 12:30 you can make almost 80 to 90% profit by seeing our breakout strategy. Okay guys, this is a secret of market, and you have to trade till 12 o'clock. I prefer to trade you till 12 o'clock guys. This is a breakout strategy which gives you almost accuracy, and you can recover all your losses. And if you want to purchase this, you can go to our website also. Here, XL Trader, this is our website. If you want, you can just go and see this website, and if you want to know how this website is worked, you can see here as a tutorial. Yes guys, in this tutorial we have explained you detailedly after installing how it works. Okay guys, after installing how it works, step by step we have mentioned here what is our breakout strategy, what is your safe entry levels. Many levels are there. This is our order book, and this is our breakout strategy. Before, you have to select the which strategy you want to trade in, but I prefer breakout strategy, best strategy, which I have seen it in my experience of these. Okay guys, step by step we have mentioned you here how to see or use our software, how it goes, how it works. And even you can also call us on 8553029884. And guys, if you want to purchase our software, you just buy here. You can just buy here. Yes guys, if you want, You can purchase our software here. If you just add to cart, yes, you can see here, and if you just add to cart, you can purchase our software from here. Okay guys, you can purchase our software from here, and you'll get a login ID, and you can also join our free WhatsApp group also. We'll be sending today's levels advancedly. Okay guys, thank you for watching. Have a nice day.